Anyone can make $950 to $2,200 per day using the world's smartest crypto trading software, Libra method. Like it or not, social media has become a standard tool for a variety of complex tasks. Each year, the next round of innovation eases day-to-day exchanges in fresh, exciting ways. Before our very eyes, technology is altering how we relate to ourselves and others. Now, more than ever, people in each corner of the globe can share experiences and resources with a simple click. The possibilities are endless. Facebook alone has a population of nearly 2.4 billion active monthly users, a number only expected to grow exponentially over the coming years. A mosaic of likes and shares from influencers or friends shape how we receive and interpret information. Connecting with like-minded people with common goals has never been easier. Likewise, fresh, money-making opportunities are becoming more common throughout each channel. The realms of business, telecommunication, and media are swiftly evolving to meet the needs of social networks. Finance is the next industry to be radically affected by such game-changing technology. Thankfully, the grip of centralized bankers on average citizens is beginning to loosen. Today, technology is meeting interests of users as opposed to powerful institutions. Capitalizing on this major paradigm shift is shaking markets. Cryptocurrency has proved itself to be a viable answer to such an exploitative system. Users are leaning away from heavy fees and restrictions towards this unique 21st century solution. Big-time investors are swarming. Magnates such as Richard Branson and Bill Gates alongside Fortune 500 companies are in praise of crypto's unbridled potential. Amazon, JP Morgan, Apple, Alibaba, the list goes on. Unlike traditional fiat currency, each digital unit is not defined by a set global standard. Instead, values of units like Bitcoin and Ethereum are determined by simple supply and demand. This business principle is the key to high returns for investors. Recognizing and acting upon a golden opportunity will unlock a fortune. The launch of Facebook's Libra happens to be just one of these. Generating buzz worldwide, Libra allows users to purchase and transfer money virtually fee-free. Accessibility is key in this innovative unit. The revolutionary currency can be bought and converted online or at physical exchange points found in any community. Direct correlation with the single largest social media platform makes this a winner in the world of crypto investing. Public access in the first half of 2020 is a much-anticipated event bound to make a large amount of money. In seconds, billions of Facebook users will have access to Libra overnight, exposure all but guaranteeing the new unit is an instant hit among traders. Needless to say, people are lining up to get on the ground level of the latest from an influential tech giant. But how can the average user earn from Libra's release and widespread success? An intuitive program is now answering that very question. Thousands of average traders are poised to make over $1,000 each day. Welcome to Libra Method, a social-driven trading system following the hottest crypto trend. Connect with a diverse network of traders to discover where and how to act. Following a complex algorithm, an automated platform studies the community to develop successful strategies. Each user enjoys a tailor-fit experience, incorporating the very same tools used by the professionals. Buy low and sell high in a fraction of a second. Earning a bundle is becoming a reality for traders from a variety of backgrounds. The power of the Libra Method crowd is standing strongly behind you. A free registration process and a minimal investment are all it takes to thrive. Preliminary studies show this all-in-one trading tool is 97% effective in finding profitable exchanges. Return rates of 500% and beyond is guaranteed to make millions for those who get in early. Complete financial freedom, of course, comes with its advantages. Luxurious holidays, fancy toys, and most importantly, all the free time in the world. We're happy to announce membership to this exclusive platform is now available. Join an expansive trading network compiling user data and predicting trading patterns. Early calculations indicate a wave of growth is looming. A money-making strategy guaranteeing over $1,000 per day awaits. Imagine a life free of any sort of financial burden. Eliminate debt. Upgrade your home, travel the world. The ability to make money on your own terms is sure to open all sorts of doors. With no more than a few clicks per day, you'll have access to a tool giving amateurs a professional edge. Now is the time to harness the power of social media alongside cryptocurrency. Watch your portfolio grow using these two technologies hand in hand. Unfortunately, only a few spaces remain to Libra Method's next round of beta testing. Don't wait too long. Time is running out. Getting in on the earliest stages with Libra Method is essential. Sign up only takes minutes. A new surge of crypto growth is coming. Will you be ready for Libra's release? Secure your place in history today. Register for free while seats still remain.